Welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight, the dude abides. We'll be making a White Russian. That's going to be 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Kahlua, and 1 ounce of heavy cream. So go ahead, like, subscribe, have your friends make comments on here, ask what they want, and we'll go ahead and make that. So, like I said, it's going to start out with 2 ounces of vodka. We are going to go with the Ketel One on this one. So we'll hit 2 ounces up on the top. Pour it in. Next, we will do 1 ounce of the Kahlua, which is the next step in this drink. Just 1 ounce, and then from that point, we're going to give it just a nice little stir, just like that. Get those 2 flavors together, nothing crazy. And then finally, 1 ounce of the heavy whipping cream, which will top this off nicely, just like that. And we'll go ahead and just give that a little stir down to the bottom, and that's it. That's simple. So we showed you the Black Russian before. 1 little more ingredient, you got a White Russian. 2 drinks, that's simple. She's B. Clark.